Hey there, and welcome to The Explainer. We're about to do something pretty cool. We're gonna boost your English vocabulary. Sound good? Let's get started.
Okay, so here's the deal. I've got a little challenge for you. Do you think you can learn 20 new English words in like the next 5 minutes? I bet you can. Let's think of it as a game, with a few different levels. You in? Ready to play?
Awesome. Let's do it. So, the challenge is on. We're gonna break this down into 4 really simple groups of words. And we're starting right now.
All right, for our first round, we're heading to an orchard. Just picture it. All those classic, delicious fruits growing on trees. Here's how it'll work. I'll say each word, and then I'll say it again. That's your cue to say it out loud with me. Ready?
Okay, here we go. First up is
Apple.
apple. Good. Next we have pear. Pear. And what about this one? Peach. Peach. Then there's plum. Plum. And to finish this round, a cherry. Cherry. Yes! Just like that, 5 words down. You're doing great. What a great start. Okay, are you ready for level 2? Let's head somewhere sunny. We're going to the tropics. These fruits are all about that sunshine and amazing flavor. Let's keep this momentum going. First one here is banana. Banana. Next up, we've got mango. Mango. Now this next one can look a little tricky, but you've got this. It's pineapple. Pineapple. Then we have the super soft papaya. Papaya. And wrapping up this level, it's coconut. Coconut. Amazing. We are officially halfway there. See? I told you could do it. Wow, you are absolutely flying through this. Okay, level 3, we're off to the berry patch. Now, these fruits might be small, but they are packed with so much flavor. Let's check them out. You ready? First up, strawberry. Strawberry. Then we have the little round blueberry. Blueberry. And a very similar one, raspberry. Raspberry. Okay, next up. These grow in bunches. They're grapes. Grapes. And we're finishing this section with a big one. Watermelon. Watermelon. Brilliant! Can you believe it? We only have 1 level left to go. Okay, here we are, the final level. The finish line is right in front of us. This last group is all about those zesty, tangy fruits. The ones that basically taste like sunshine. Let's finish strong, come on. First, we have the classic orange. Orange. Next, that super sour lemon. Lemon. And its little green cousin, the lime. Lime. Then there's the bigger one, grapefruit. Grapefruit. And for our very last word, the one with all those little red seeds inside, pomegranate. Pomegranate. And that's it. Challenge complete. Just like that. You've just added a whole new set of words to your vocabulary. That's amazing. You should feel really proud. Look at that. You did it. 20 new words are now officially part of your English vocabulary. It's just a number, but what it really represents is a huge accomplishment in just a few minutes. Seriously, well done.
Okay, you know what we gotta do now? A victory lap. Let's run through all of them one more time just to lock him in. Say 'em with me, let's go. Apple, pear, peach, plum, cherry, banana, mango, pineapple, papaya, coconut, strawberry, blueberry, raspberry, grapes, watermelon, orange, lemon, lime, grapefruit, and pomegranate. Woo! Absolutely fantastic.
So, what's the big deal? Why does this even matter? Well, there's this great quote from a philosopher, Wittgenstein, who said, "The limits of my language mean the limits of my world." And think about that for a second. By learning these 20 words today, you literally just made your world bigger. You now have new tools to describe things, to talk about food, to connect with people. That's the real magic of learning, isn't it?
You just proved to yourself that you can learn new things, and pretty quickly, too. So the real question I have for you is, what are you gonna learn next? Keep that awesome curiosity going. Hey, thanks so much for joining me for this explainer. I'll catch you on the next one.